AR-15. Let's go wild honey sector. A gun that is one of the best-selling rifles in the United States. According to CNN, the AR-15 platform has seen international adoption by military and law enforcement agencies in various countries, especially in the US, with over 24 million AR-15s in civilian circulation. And not only that, the AR-15's modular design allows for customization beyond caliber. Short barrel versions become maneuverable for home defense, while longer barrels enhance accuracy for long-range target shooting. Today, let's join Captain Discovery on an exciting tour of the AR-15 gun factory. Get ready to see how these iconic rifles are made from start to finish. Don't blink. You won't want to miss the fascinating details and cutting-edge processes ahead. Subscribe now and join the Captain Discovery journey. The history of AR-15 starts with Eugene Stoner, who was working with Armalite, a small American firearms company in the 1950s. They aimed to make a lightweight, reliable rifle for the US military using aluminum. This led to the creation of the AR-15, or Armalite Rifle Model 15. In 1959, Armalite sold the AR-15 design to Colt's manufacturing company. Colt made modifications and secured a contract with the US Air Force for a new rifle. This modified version, the M16, became the iconic service weapon used in the Vietnam War. While the M16 thrived in the military, the civilian AR-15 remained a niche product. The term modern sporting rifle, MSR, emerged to reflect the AR-15's capabilities beyond military applications. The AR-15's modular design allows for extensive customization. This flexibility is a major reason for its enduring popularity. Owners can personalize their rifles for specific uses, from long-range target shooting to competition shooting. Today, the AR-15 is still a popular choice among US gun owners. Its versatility for activities like target shooting, hunting, and self-defense is often cited as the reason for its continued popularity. Rifles, oh yeah. Before we start, here's the Captain Discovery quiz. What is one of the key reasons for the AR-15's popularity? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below. Now, to show you more about the process. Step 1. From concept to components. To kick off the AR-15 creation process, we head to the Daniel Defense Factory in Georgia, one of the largest AR industries in the United States. First, you come to the factory, and it's huge, spanning 300,000 square feet. It's even cooler with our flying drone. In this factory, they produce over 40,000 guns a year. Everything starts with the AR-15 sketch from engineers. With the use of CAD software, they create detailed 3D models to ensure each part fits together perfectly. After selecting the best materials, like aluminum for the receivers and steel for the barrel, they test these materials for strength and durability. Then, let's get into the next step, crafting. So how do you feel about this beginning? Share your thoughts below. Step 2. Crafting components for the AR-15. First, let's meet some advanced lathes, introducing 13 AIS and 11 AIS machines. This process is the heart and soul of their AR-15 production. Every barrel starts as a piece of bar stock. This bar stock is fed into one of their 2 gun drills, which cuts a precision hole directly down the middle. The drilled bar is then honed to a mirror-like finish inside. Next, the bar stock goes into a machine for hammer forging. The hammer forging process, which takes just 3.5 to 4 minutes, transforms the bar stock into a barrel with rifling and a chamber. Boom! The key to this process is the mandrel, a piece of steel with the reverse image of the rifling. As the bar stock is fed over the mandrel, it hammer forges the rifling into the barrel, creating a more concentric finish and a longer-lasting barrel. Then we have the handguard and charging handle, all made by machine. With success comes the ability to invest in top-tier machinery, such as a Sakat robot, which enhances efficiency and consistency, producing beautiful finishes on every gun. Step 3. Finishing the AR-15. Now that we have all the accessories, it's time for the most exciting part, assembling the complete gun. The engineers meticulously ensure that each AR-15 performs at its best. What do you think of this job? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery. Then these guns undergo quality control. Jim Ross, the armorer and build team leader, oversees the assembly of customer orders. His team meticulously assembles and inspects every lower and upper receiver to ensure quality. And now is the time for the AR-15 mechanism and gun testing, the most exciting part of the video. We're working properly, go. Oh yeah, they were. As I toured the factory, I got the... Step 4. AR-15 testing. To ensure the performance of the AR-15, the gun will go through a series of rigorous tests designed by engineers. First, the shooting range test, which is a 10-round firing test at a controlled shooting range to evaluate accuracy and precision. I'm just going to climb up the target, up the door and see where it goes. Second, the outdoor combat capabilities test. This test is designed to assess combat performance in good weather conditions, including handling, reliability, and effectiveness in a realistic environment. Finally, the most difficult one, the comprehensive durability test. It requires the AR-15 to work in harsh conditions to ensure operational integrity and durability. This includes tests for exposure to dust, mud, water, and extreme temperatures. Got this one? You think so? Yeah, right. And now, the answer for the quiz about the key reason for the AR-15's popularity. And the answer is versatility. Its modular design allows users to customize it for different purposes like target shooting, hunting, home defense, and tactical use. This flexibility, along with its reliability and ease of use, make it a favorite among many gun owners. Interesting, right? The AR-15 stands out for its versatility. The AR-15 can be further enhanced with a variety of extensions. We'll take a look into 4 popular accessories for the AR-15. First, optics. There are 3 main types: red dot sights, scopes, and holographic sights, all for improving target acquisition and accuracy. Second, foregrips, whether vertical or angled, offer better control and stability. Third, handguards, especially free-floating ones, can improve accuracy and allow for the attachment of other accessories. Fourth, muzzle devices like flash hiders, muzzle brakes, and suppressors help manage recoil, reduce flash, and control noise. These extensions can be tailored to the shooter's needs, enhancing the AR-15's versatility and performance. That's the end of the video about the AR-15, an iconic rifle in the United States. If you want to know more about the process of everything else in life, like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to ensure you don't miss out on anything interesting around the world. Don't forget to subscribe.